See, this is a comparison model. It is also subtraction model. This also, for this also we are using bar method. Okay, using bar method. The question is the second question. Okay, second question in subtraction model, but it is a comparison model. But for this model also we are using bar method. So Kavir and Ayuri were playing with marbles. Kavir won 25 games. Ayuri won 17 games. How many more games did Kavir win? This is the question. So it means both are playing with marbles. That is Kavir and Ayuri. Kavir and Ayuri both are playing with marbles. And Kavir won how many games? That is 25 games. He won. That is Kavir won 25 games. And Ayuri won. That is 17 games. How many more games did Kavir win? This is the question. That is how many more means I told you it is a what? Subtraction. That means what are the clue words for subtraction? Left is a clue word of subtraction. And what is remaining? It is also what? Clue word of subtraction. And how many more? It is a clue word of subtraction. Less, it is a clue word of less also. Less is also a clue word of subtraction. So these are the what? Generally these are the left. So left and what? How many more? And remaining, less. So these are the clue words for the subtraction. Okay. So Kavir's win. Okay. Kavir's wins. That is what? Ayuri's win. What is this? 1 minute. Even you can write Kavir's won is also correct word. Okay. Kavir's won 25 games. And what is this? Ayuri. Okay. Kavir's won 25 games and Ayuri's won 17 games. I'll repeat once again. Kavir's won 25 games and Ayuri's won, what is this? 17 games. That is, they'll ask you the question, how many more games did Kavir win? You know that very clearly, Kavir won more games than Ayuri. So that is what they ask you the question. Kavir win dash games more than Ayuri. You have to find how many more games Kavir won. This is the question. Okay. So that is what you can find out very clearly. How many more means it is a subtraction. That is what I have given the subtraction sign. So Kavir won 25 games and Ayuri won what? 17 games. So it both are a what? 2-digit subtraction. So first you have to write the place value. Kavir's won 25 games. Ayuri's won 17 games. First you have to write the place value. 2, 5, 25, 1, 7, 70. I'm going to subtract. I start with ones. So 5 minus 7. 5 is not enough to subtract. So I'm going to borrow with tens place. So this 2 ones become 1 tens. I borrow from 2 tens. So 2 becomes 1. This 5 ones become 15 plus 10 plus 5 because I'm borrowing from 1 10. So that is what I'm adding. If I add with ones, 10 plus 5, 15. So 15 ones. So 15 is a greater number. 7 is a smaller number. So what I'm going to do? That means 15 minus 7 I have to do. So backward counting after 7, 8. That means 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, then 13, 14, 15. The answer is what? 8. So then 1 minus 1 you can get 0. So not necessary to write the number. So that is the, what is the number? Right answer 8. So Kavir won 8 games more than Ayuri. That is what? 8 games. 8 games exactly right answer. Okay. The question is how many more games did Kavir win? That means Kavir won 8 games more than Ayuri. This is the right answer. 8 games is the right answer. So I think so you understand some. So Kavir and Ayuri both were playing with marbles. Kavir won 25 games and Ayuri won 17 games. This is very clearly understood. So Kavir is a winner. So he won what? More than he won 25 games. So that he what? Won more than. He means Kavir won more than Ayuri. Kavir won 25 games and Ayuri won 17 games. So that very clearly you understand. So he is the winner and he won more than Ayuri. So that how many more games means it is a subtraction. It is a clue word. How many more means it is a subtraction. It is a clue word. So I just subtract. So the answer is 8. So Kavir won 8 games more than Ayuri. So 8 games is the right answer for this question. From this you understand all the subtraction models and what are the subtraction methods and what is the definition of subtraction, what are the important points, what are the rules and regulation. We have seen normal method as well as regrouping methods, regrouping hundreds and tens, regrouping tens and hundreds and tens and ones, everything regrouping twice, and adding subtracting with addition method and bar method, and so many methods we have seen. I think so you understand very clearly subtraction. So go through the videos once or twice, you can understand the concept very clearly and practice more and more. All the best. Thank you.